Every day, we are getting older, and while there's no stopping it, your clients can stay youthful with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and ensuring they have the proper nutrition. L-ergothioneine, an amino acid often found in mushrooms, has been gaining interest for its age-defying properties at the cellular level. Unfortunately, our bodies don't produce ergothioneine naturally, and it's limited in the typical American diet. But you can help your clients fight back against aging with Essential Youth L-Ergothioneine. It's packed with 5 milligrams of this longevity vitamin and supports long-term health via its antioxidant and cell-protecting activities. Preclinical and clinical studies have also shown that L-ergothioneine can benefit the brain, eyes, and cardiovascular system. And because the body has a highly specific mechanism to transport ergothioneine into your cells, it can be crucial for overall health. So, when your clients want to fight oxidative stress and stay youthful at the cellular level, point them to Essential Youth L-Ergothioneine from Life Extension.